my gosh, did you see him? He was totally staring at you in the hallway today.
Oh my gosh, I know he's so dreamy.
I know, he's so hot. He's totally hitting on you. I bet he asked you to prom.
Oh my gosh.
That'd be so amazing.
Hi guys. Hi, I'm the new
Hi.
exchange student
Cool. Where are you from?
from Germany. What's your name? Alicia.
Oh, I'm Hannah. This is my best friend, Kelsey.
Hi guys, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Really? I'm so excited. This is so cool here in America. I love it. It's so different from Germany. Your clothes are so cute. Where did you get them? Thank you. This is a Germany shirt. You see my name on the back
my
for our
gosh,
national
yeah.
soccer team.
I want one. Yeah.
You can have one. Oh my gosh, we guys are gonna be so good friends.
Best. Totally. I can't wait.
I have to find my next class. You know, this is so different.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What a freak.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Seriously? Like, who would want to wear that outfit?
Oh my gosh.
I'm totally gonna
It
text
looks like
everyone.
someone threw up on it.
Yeah, like seriously,
Okay,
like,
I'm gonna Facebook
does
this
Germany
right
even
now.
have fashion? Yeah.
Oh my
god, look at that. Did you see that German freak?
We need to let everybody know not to talk to her.
Yeah,
They need to
totally.
be warned.
Go to
They
her
have to
Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
Facebook.
German freak named Alicia, stay
Oh
away.
my gosh, he texted me. Okay,
Oh.
anyway.
Why
Why did you guys do that?
What are you talking about?
I didn't do anything. I'm sorry, I'm from Germany, not from, I don't know, Asia or something. We have Facebook too.
What are you talking about?
You posted this crap about me that I'm a stupid German, that I'm a Nazi. I'm not.
Okay, that's
We thought Germans were Nazis.
Yeah, all Germans are Nazis, duh.
We're not. You're so
When she
weird.
was like Hitler and stuff. Yeah, I bet Hitler's like her great-grandpa.
Oh my god. Why are you saying this mean stuff to me? That's not true.
Oh my god, now she's crying. Stupid German.
Mama,
she's calling her mom.
You guys, Mama, you want me to talk to your mommy for you? Since I can everyone. Look at this German crying to her mommy. You can't even understand her. This is cyberbullying. Mommy, you're so mean. Stop it.
Cyberbullying.